Dave Norris with you, RT on the camera. Today we're going to talk about how you can load an array to play elements through the ENCO system. Now, there are two steps to this process. The first is we actually have to load the array module within ENCO. And the way that we do that is we can close either of the two modules on the right hand of the screen. For our purposes right now, we're going to close the playlist module. You can always tell that you're in the playlist module because in black it will write the name of the module you're in, just to the left of the module. So we see playlist is written right here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to the close button. I'm going to close the playlist module. Now you'll notice we have 8 icons for various modules that we can open up. What we're going to select is the array module in the bottom left-hand corner. Now we'll notice that the array is made up of 16 different what we call hot boxes. And the way the array works is you can simply select one or click on one of the boxes and it will play that automatically. Now you'll notice this sweep 3 that we just played is 2 seconds long. And if I try to play it again, you'll notice that a clock face almost happens that will rotate, varying on the speed of the element. If I want to delete something from a particular hotbox and swap it in with something else, it's as simple as clicking on the delete button at the bottom. You'll notice it starts flashing. Then I'm going to delete some of the hotboxes that I no longer need. At this point, I can unselect delete. And in the library module, I can find the particular elements that I would like to drag into my array. Simply click and drag. Now we'll notice that I have a song that I just selected in my array box. Now, one of the things about the array is that while there are 16 hot boxes that we're looking at right now, we actually have what are called several pages of arrays that we can use. We can tell we're currently in page 13. If I know that I've set some arrays on some custom arrays on page 1, for me to simply switch from page 13 to page 1, I click on the turquoise page 13. We'll notice these numbers have appeared. I'm going to select the page number that I want, in my case, page 1. We'll notice that I've now transitioned to page 1, which doesn't have anything assigned to it right now. In this case, I can drag whatever I want into these individual array boxes, and I'm now set to use my custom-built array. This concludes how... Oh, we're not done. Now that I think about it, that was only step 1. Step 2, how do we actually play it through the box? I'm getting ahead of myself right here. Now, playing it through the ENCO system, we'll notice it doesn't play through the same channel that all of our audio is playing through. We have our own dedicated channel on the control board. If we look at channel 7 on the control board, it will be mentioning array. All we need to do at this point, turn the channel on, bring the fader up to nominal, and at this point, anything that I select on here will start going through channel 7 on the control board. This concludes this time how to fire something through the array.